And Wall Street opens this morning with stocks at a new low for the year. Monday was the market's worst day in 7 months. The Dow Jones Industrials lost 326 points to close at 15,373.
The index is down more than 7% in the past 5 weeks. CBS News contributor and analyst Mellody Hobson is in Chicago. Mellody, good morning.
Good morning, Charlie.
So what's the reason behind the slide?
So investors right now have been spooked by macroeconomic data at the same time that the Fed is pulling back on its bond buying program. That has them very concerned that this won't be a clean handoff. Yesterday's culprit was a number that came out from the Institute for Supply Management, which gives a measure of economic activity. It was the second month in a row that that number was down, and it was basically in line with what we've seen in May of 2013. Additionally, the forward-looking new order index dropped 13 points, which is the biggest one-month drop since 1980. So that has people reeling.
So do you think this means we're headed for a correction?
I would not be surprised if we're headed for a correction. I mean, markets do not go straight up. We know that. We had a blowout year last year, so it wouldn't be surprising, one, if people took profits. Two, the economic data has been uneven, which is, again, not surprising. And corrections are not necessarily a bad thing. They allow a buying opportunity. They allow some of the frothiness to go out of the market. And, again, as I said before, markets do not go straight up.
Reviewing the Federal Reserve one more time, I mean, a sense of the impact if the tapering continues.
Okay, so if the tapering continues, what the Fed is telling us, and we should hear this loud and clear, is that the economy is stabilizing and growing. So it's actually a very good economic sign. What I find interesting is people are so concerned about the tapering. Let's talk about the contrast. What if they stopped the tapering and went back in? You think we have volatility now? The market would go crazy because the Fed would be telling us things aren't good.
Mm-hmm. And the market likes predictability and stability and doesn't like surprises.
The market does not like uncertainty. That's for sure.
All right, Mellody, good to see you. Thanks so much.